Hello there, welcome to the learning of engineering video lecture. In this video lecture, we are trying to discuss about the strain energy in a body when the load is applied suddenly. So in the previous video lecture we have seen that load is applied here gradually, but in this case that load is going to be coming suddenly. So that means here we are not going to be applying the load gradually, we are applying the force suddenly. So that means suppose there is going to be a load is there that we are applying at once. That means the load is coming only the once only. It is not coming the gradually. So then how could you find out? In the previous video lectures we have seen the strain energy stored in a body that is equal to, so that's going to be sigma square by 2E into volume we have taken. So now in this case we need to find out the how much amount of the stresses are going to be generating. That's because of the suddenly applied load. So in this case, we are going to be using the work done on this system. So that's the work done on that system is equal to, so when suddenly applied the load, in this case what will happen, we are not using the curve over here, and in this case the P is going to be the constant. The load is coming once and it's going to be dying out. So then the work done is equal to the load into the displacement we need to take it. That's going to be del L we are going to get it. So as we know, we need to find out the del L. I'm going to be writing this equation P into sigma by E into, so L I am going to be writing. As we know, the work done acted on that system is equal to the strain energy stored inside the body. So that I am going to be equating here. So that's going to be sigma square by 2E into volume I am taking. So that volume also I am going to be writing A into L also I can write it here. Right? So then in this case what I am going to do, the LL will going to be cancelled and the sigma is going to be cancelled once. So then EE will going to be cancelled. So then the sigma is equal to, in this case that sigma is equal to, so the 2 will going to be the right side, 2P by A we are going to get it. So here the stresses are going to be developing due to the suddenly applied load that is equal to the twice of the gradually applied load. So then what I am going to do, once I am going to be calculating this sigma magnitude, then again I am going to be substituting in this equation so that I can find out the strain energy existed in a suddenly applied load. So I hope you are able to understand this mathematical model. The difference between the gradually applied load and suddenly applied load. Gradually means the load is acting certain time and it will take its own time to apply the load. That means suppose already we told, so 1 kg load we are acting on that system per second, so then I can continue up to the 1 minute so that I can understand the behavior of the system. But the other case is that load is going to be acting suddenly. That means that load is, suppose this is the load is going to be coming. So then what will happen in this case, either falling or you are applying the load at once. So then we will see the behavior of the system. Suppose you are going in a rough roads. So then the vehicle is going to be suddenly, it is going to be moving up and down. So then what will happen, those loads are coming very suddenly applied loads. So that time how much amount of the strain energy it is storing. So that the example I took it here, and then finally the stresses developed here the twice the gradually applied load. Still if you feel any confusion, please put in the comment section so that I can reach you out. Thank you.